As traders, we're always looking for a way to enhance our profitability. And what I want to talk to you quickly about is how to enhance a support and resistance system. Using grids will help you minimize losses when you're wrong while maximizing a gain when you're right. The way we do this is we effectively add to winning trades. So the grid will increase the trade size when the price moves in your favor, and when the price moves against you, it does not add to the position. A grid is made up of stop or limit orders, which help you manage how you put your position sizing into the market. To show you this very quickly, what we have here is a small diagram showing we've got a scenario where there's prior support. Prices come down, reacted from a level, and move strongly up. It's not unreasonable to expect that to happen again. In this scenario, what we have is we've had price start to confirm the bounce, and we've put in place buy stop orders above the current market price. We have a target of a previous resistance. We could have a couple of scenarios play forwards. If price moves up straight to our target, we will open all these orders and we will hit our target. That will be a full profit gain. Another scenario is price can come into our grid of buy stop orders, open a few positions, and then drop below the support. Our stop loss would close this out and close all these orders. Instead of getting into all our positions, we will only have got into a couple, which means our loss will be smaller versus if we had a winning trade where everything was open. I want to show you how that looks on the chart. Okay, what you can see is we have some resistance. Price is bouncing straight off right now. We're just drawing a zone. We're going to put in some sell orders and we will take this right down to the bottom of that support level. So I'm putting in 10 orders, 0.1. I'll put my stop loss up here. I'm going to put my take profit down here, and then we will send that. So you can see how easy it is just to manage those orders using the Layer Master Toolbox. And this is going to be a really quick trade because we're really in a tight support and resistance zone here. And we're just going to show you that's the complete zone there. We might move this out of the way. Let's just see how this plays out. And you can see this trade is pretty much done immediately. And we're going to pick off about $40 from this trade, which is fantastic. Now, the fun part about this is we're going to get to also buy on the way up. So let's just get this trade to hit take profits. We're right into this kind of support area. We should still get a push. And there we are. Perfect. We've got some pendings, so we'll just delete the orders that weren't placed. And now we're going to go do the reverse. So you can see I've changed that to a buy order. I'm now drawing my new zone. And we're going to take that right to the top. We'll put our stop loss a bit lower, so we're going to add a stop loss now. I didn't put it on the order, and a bit lower than that zone because it might type bottom or try to. We'll take the take profit right near the top. So here we are. Again, we're just playing that one area, and we're into a couple of orders here. And here we go. Sometimes after a big, you can see kind of the big push up. Sometimes it takes a bit of time to get up to the top. Let's just watch as this plays forwards. We'll just zoom in so you can see it better, and you can see we've got some trades open, total of 2 trades at the moment, or 2 positions in this grid. And of course we're just going up to the top of that. That's a nice push, going really in the right direction. We're now in 6 positions. You can see how we've increased our position size very quickly. Again, we may not get to the top here. We may muck around down the bottom support because quite often the trade needs liquidity to go to the top. So I think we're going to be pretty good. I really like doing this kind of trading, especially when you have a bias in one direction. You can take the support in the direction of a longer term trend, so it's quite a nice way to manage these trades. Awesome. This great, that just hit. So that just netted us about $98, and the previous one is about $40 dollars. You can see the range here that we're trading in. Thanks for watching, guys. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and go to layermastertoolbox.com.